Good morning, Mighty Bulldogs. This is Miss Malukas with your morning announcements. Today is Tuesday, August 17th, still 2021. Today is an A day. Please rise for the pledges of allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing or simply silent and respectful for an additional moment of silence. Awesome. Thank you. Happiest of happy birthday to our one student in CP with a birthday. Happy birthday to Maria Reina Padilla in 11th grade. Happiest of happy birthdays. I hope you have a great Tuesday and that your week is off to a solid start. You share your birthday with lots of people, but you also share your birthday with actor Robert De Niro and Sean Penn. So I guess that's kind of exciting. Hope you have a great day. As a reminder, masks are required while you are on campus. Hopefully you're wearing them anytime you're in a shared space in the community as cases continue to rise. If you need a mask, let someone know. We're happy to help. This is new. This is exciting. Middle school volleyball tryouts are Monday, August 23rd, here. I guess where else would they be? But here in the gym from 4 to 5:30. You must have already gotten your physical, and you have to bring your physical. And at this point, look at getting transportation. We're not sure if late buses will be ready to go by this point. So right now, if you're really excited about trying out, see if you can work on having transportation home. Technology expectations. Laptops are being distributed. We appreciate your patience as we work to get those out to you all. If you've not turned in a technology form, this is a problem. Raise your hand and ask your homeroom teacher for a new form. If you turned it in and you haven't gotten a computer, that's okay. We are still working on getting computers to students. When you receive your tech, you should get both a laptop and a charger. You should have both. And then when you get your technology, the expectation is you have it with you every day, your laptop and charger in class every day. I know we haven't started using them in all of our classes, but eventually you will need them throughout the week for various classes. Uniforms. Reminder, you should be in uniform while you're in the building. You guys know the expectation. One incentive or reward we love to use with students is free dress. But I can guarantee you we will not offer free dress as an incentive until we can get the expected uniform correct. The sooner we can get this right, the sooner we can reward you all. This means you have your shirt tucked in without a reminder. This means you bring your belt without a phone call home. And this means no one is having to tell you to take off your non-idea jacket. Work together, guys. Help each other out. We like free dress as much as you all. This can't happen until we get it right as a college prep. You guys know this. If you're still struggling with the POLO, reach out. We can help. Homeroom teachers at this time, please check for uniform. You can pause if you need to or just walk around the room and check for uniforms. Cell phone and headphone policy. Again, this is not new. Students should not use cell phones and headphones during school hours. Only exception is 11th and 12th grade during lunch in the cafeteria. This is your one and only warning. If any adult sees you using your phone, sees you with headphones, they will pick it up. Dismissal, y'all, this is getting better. Reminders, make sure you go straight to your bus. Buses leave quickly. Walkers, pick up your siblings on Academy side. Don't go through the building. Car riders, make sure you're listening or watching for your car. Looking for your parents. Stay on our side. We shouldn't be on Academy side. Academy students shouldn't be on our side. And if no one else tells you today, Bulldogs are determined, optimistic, generous, and strong. We love you, believe you, and always will. Have a great Tuesday, y'all. Proud of you.